Shane, thank you. Nearly a year after a 15-month-old child died from what Green Bay police called one of the worst cases of child abuse they have ever seen, 2 people are now facing charges.
Police say they believe the child's mother and her boyfriend are responsible for the death of that toddler.
No kid should go through what that girl went through.
According to court documents, the investigation began last May when the child was brought to the hospital and was already dead. Police say she was covered in bruises.
Some terrible abuse to a 15-month-old that ultimately led to her death.
In court Monday, the child's mother, Sarah Karras, is charged with child neglect resulting in death and failure to prevent bodily harm to a child, both party to a crime.
It was, determined that there was some neglect issues. She had knowledge, we believe, of these injuries going on to this child, and any one of us that has that knowledge, whether we're parents or not, should be reporting it, should be getting that child some help, medical help, whatever the case might be. Take that kid out of an abusive home if that's the case.
Karras' boyfriend, Juan Marvilla, is facing charges of first-degree reckless homicide and repeated physical abuse of a child resulting in death. Court documents say at the hospital, the 2 suspects told police the child was sick and had fallen down the stairs. However, Karras' story and Marvilla's did not match. Police say timelines were wrong, and at the hospital, Marvilla appeared to be nervous and sweating. After further investigation and interviewing the suspect several times, Marvilla admitted to, quote, accidentally making the child fall down the stairs, as well as hitting her other times, saying, quote, I smacked her up because I got mad. I just got mad and I accidentally hit her. In later questioning, Karras told police she believed Marvilla might have had something to do with the death. Noticing that her child was hesitant to go near Marvilla, more bruising, and the child started walking with a limp. The autopsy results were just completed a few weeks ago in April. That's why charges were filed in this case nearly a year after the child's death.
We had to wait, until that final report came across, and we want it to be thorough. We know it takes time, but we also want people held accountable for their actions, especially in a case of a death of a child. According
to those results, the toddler died of blunt force and internal injuries, as well as malnutrition and several infections.
Karras' other 4 children are not in her custody. Today, she appeared in court. Bond was set at $50,000 cash. Marvilla is currently in prison on a probation hold from a previous violation.